Hello everyone, I am from Sophia Convent School, GT Road, Murthal, Sonipat. Today we are going to discuss about displacement reaction. In class 10th we studied many type of reactions out of which displacement is a one type of reaction. So what is the displacement reaction? Displacement reactions are those reactions in which the highly reactive substance can able to displace the low reactive substances. Okay. Highly reactive element can able to displace the low reactive element. So I am coming with two experiments to make you more clear about the displacement reaction. First one, we are going to do experiment with the iron nails and the copper sulphate solution. Secondly, we are doing with the zinc granules and the hydrochloric acid. So first we are proceeding with iron nails and the copper sulphate solution. For that particular experiment, what we need copper sulphate solution, and this copper sulphate solution you can easily make from copper sulphate crystals. What you have to do is you just have to add some crystals in a test tube and pour some water and mix it well. You will get the solution of copper sulphate. Now we are having iron nails. We have to put some 2 or 3 iron nails in this copper sulphate solution. So what will happen after 2 or 3 hours? It is not the instant reaction. It will take some time. It will take approximately 3 to 4 hours to show the reaction. So after 2 or 3 hours, what will happen? The displacement is start taking place. Displacement of what? The iron nails can able to displace the copper from the copper sulphate solution, and when the displacement taken place, you can see this solution appears to be like this after 3 or 4 hours. Okay, so what will happen? We are having blue solution of copper sulphate here, but after displacement we are having a green color solution of ferrous sulphate, iron sulphate. That means the iron displaces the copper from the copper sulphate solution and form ferrous sulphate, and the copper which displaces from the copper sulphate solution is over the iron nails in the form of reddish brown layer. Okay, so this is a displacement reaction ki how the iron can able to displace the copper from the copper sulphate solution. This copper sulphate solution is a salt solution of copper. Mostly we are taking the salt solution of that particular substance. So, and the blue color of a copper sulphate is due to the water of crystallization. That means the copper is having some fixed amount of water molecules in it, due to which it appears blue in color. If we heat the copper sulphate crystal, the blue color of the copper get disappear, because that blue color is because of the water molecules, and when we heat the crystals, the water molecules from the solution, from the crystals disappears in the form of vapors. Okay, so this is all about the iron and the copper sulphate solution. Next we are having with zinc granules and the hydrochloric acid. For this we are taking another test tube, and in this test tube we are going to put some zinc granules. You can able to see zinc granules are grey in colors, and you will get the zinc granules in this form like this. They are small pieces of the zinc granules we are having. In this we have to pour some hydrochloric acid, and this acid is the dilute one, not the concentrated. So it is an instant reaction. You can able to see the zinc is get reacted with the hydrochloric acid, and it displaces the hydrogen from the hydrochloric acid, and the hydrogen which displaced is fumes out in the form of hydrogen gas. Okay, how can we test this is a hydrogen gas? What we have to do, we have to burn a matchstick and move the test tube near to the burner. What you will observe, you observe the pop-up sound over here near the fumes, which confirms that this is a hydrogen gas, because hydrogen gases burns with the pop sound. Okay, one more precaution you always have to take while you are performing experiment: keep the test tube face away from your face. So this is a instant reaction. You can able to see the hydrogen is displaced and the zinc is getting attached with the chlorine and form the solution of zinc chloride. So this is the two experiments of the displacement reactions, which shows that how the highly reactive element or the substance can able to displace the low reactive substances. So I hope you all can able to understand now what displacement is. So this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.